In this video, I will show you how to connect your GitHub repository to Google AI. So let's see. At first, you will open a browser, then simply search Google AI. Then go to this ai.google, and from here, you can simply click this Google AI and go to AI Studio. Right now, you will see this interface. From here, you will go to this app section. So here you can see I have created an app and I will open the app. This is an Android app about meditations. And you can see, click this continue. You can see the login screen. You can log in with your email and password. Then you can choose Google and Apple to log in on it. When you log in, you can see this is your app interface. So this is homepage. This is the explore section where you can search different type of content. Then this is breath for your weekly tracker. This is journal section and your profile section. So it's a complete app. If you want to publish this app or want to push this code to your GitHub repository, how you can do that? So simply here you can see publish button. You will click here and now you can see here is GitHub. You can click GitHub. So first time you need to sign into GitHub. Simply click this sign into GitHub to continue. Then you will just install and authorize it. You can see syncing to GitHub. Now you can create a GitHub repository. So I will make it public and choose a name of this. Put your repository name here, then a short description, and now create a GitHub repository. So here you can see we're creating your repository. So you will see all the code is available here. Just stage and commit all changes. If everything is ready, if you click this open in GitHub, now you can see your code is here on GitHub. You can share this code to your friends or anyone. If you face any problem, just leave a comment. I will reply you. Thank you.